Hello everyone, welcome to Scholar Hut. In this course of Complete Core and Advanced Python, today we are going to learn about difference between programming language and scripting language. So let's begin. Before differentiating between these two terms, that is programming language and scripting language, let's see that what we have learned in the last video, that what is Python. So in the last video, we have seen that Python is a high level, multi-paradigm and general purpose programming language. Okay, so here it is programming language. Okay, and one more thing regarding Python is that Python is also a scripting language. Okay, so Python is a high level multi-paradigm general purpose programming language, and also Python is a scripting language. So we are differentiating between these two terms, that is programming language and scripting language. Okay.
Before differentiating between these two terms, that is programming language and scripting language, let's first of all understand that what is meant by scripting language. Okay, so the question is, what is scripting language? So it is also programming language which are used to write a script. Okay, so the next question comes that what is this script? What is meant by this script? So a script is a small program executed within another program. Okay, so just focus on this point. This is very important, that a script is a small program executed within another program. Okay, so we can say that using a programming language, you can develop any software, any application from the scratch. Okay, but scripting language are used inside another program. Okay, so a scripting language are used inside another program. Let's see what is meant by this scripting language using one example. So let's see one example. Let's suppose that this is MS Excel, MS Excel, which is a software, which is a software. So this MS Excel has been developed by this MS Excel. This MS Excel has been developed by VC++. VC which is nothing but a programming language. So this MS Excel is developed using VC++ and it is a spreadsheet. Okay, it contains number of rows and columns. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so it contains number of rows and column. Yeah, so let's suppose you input some data inside this MS Excel. Just suppose you put 10, you put some 20, you put some like 30, you put some data like 40. Okay, so you put some input inside this MS Excel, and suppose if you want to add this data, add this whole data, some of the data. Okay, so how you can sum all this data using this MS Excel? So to sum all this data, you have to write a function, you have to write a program to sum of this data. Or suppose you have to calculate mean of this data, so you have to write one a script, one program. So this MS Excel exposes, so this MS Excel exposes one scripting language known as VB script. Okay, so this MS Excel exposes one, gives one scripting language known as VB script. VB script. Okay, so using this scripting language, you will write using this scripting language, you will write one script for calculating the sum of this input data. Okay, so for calculating the sum of this input data, suppose you write some script, uh, some yeah, you write some script, you write some function using this scripting language to calculate the sum of this data, this input data. So now you can say that this script is run by whom? So this script is run by, this script is run by your MS Excel Okay, that means your this programming language. So we can say that this script, this function will be executed by your software, MS Excel software. Hence our this statement that a script is a small program, sorry, a script is a small program executed within another program. Okay, so our this statement has been fulfilled. And let's suppose just take one more example. Just take one more example. Let's suppose you developed one game. Okay, so for the development of this game, you are using one programming language named as C++. So you have developed a game. Have developed a game using C++. And suppose you want to customize your game, you want to extend some functionality of your game. So how you can do that? So for doing this, this game exposes one scripting language. Game exposes one scripting language. Scripting language. So using this scripting language, you can customize your game. You can extend the functionality of your game. So we can say that a scripting language is used inside another programming language to extend their functionality, used inside another software to extend their functionality. So here the next point is also that scripting language are used to customize or extend the functionality of developed software. So now here we understand what is scripting language, and you know what is programming language. So now let's move to the difference between programming language and scripting language. That's what our topic for today. So let's see here what are I have written some differences. So we can see, highlight these points that first of all, the first difference is programming language are used to communicate with computer to perform operation. Okay? As we have seen, just like you write any code inside your programming language, inside your Java, Python, C++, that is directly communicate with your computer and that runs your computer. Okay, and let's suppose you write inside any code inside using scripting language, then what is where it is used? It is used inside another programming language to extend, to customize the functionality of your software, of your application. And let's move to the second point. So second point is yeah, programs written using programming language are executed independently. Yeah, so this point also satisfied. Okay, so and a script cannot execute independently. Scripts are executed within another program, as we have seen using different using two examples, and also the game that using your programming language you can write any software, any application from the scratch. But scripting language are dependent on another program. Okay, right? So it is used to customize your software. And the next point is next difference is programming language creates one .exe file. Okay, so and scripting language do not create any type of file. And the next difference is it is compiler based, and while scripting language is interpreter based. So what is meant by this compiler based and interpreter based? Just suppose using one programming language you write a code. Okay, so what actually happens, it will first compile the whole code whatever you are written inside your file. Just suppose you have written inside your using Python programming. Okay, so whatever written inside .py file, that the whole code will be first compiled. Okay, after compiled, whatever the error inside your file, that whole error will be given as a whole, that this error is their error is present, their error is present, and so on. And move to the point that what is interpreter based. So interpreter based means that whatever you write inside your code, it will analyze your program, and whenever the error occur, then the execution will just stop there. And when you correct your error, then it will again start interpreting from the start, from the beginning. Okay, so you have seen that what is compiler based and what is interpreter based. So let's take some example that what are the examples of programming language. So the example of programming language, fifth one is just like C, Java, C++. So, and what are the examples of scripting language? The examples of scripting language are JavaScript, JavaScript, VBScript, Python. Yeah, and Python is also an example of programming language. So here our discussion ends that what is programming, what is the difference between programming language and scripting language. So I hope you like the video and understand the concept of difference between a scripting language and programming language, and also you understand it in this video that what is programming language. So if you like the video, then give your valuable feedback in the comment section, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.